Early in the morning, rise and stretch. Smell something sweet, mama day in the catch. Pot a bubble nice with some natural spice. Call it Ital food, me not.
Ooh, that's smelling great. Guys, have you ever had the veggie chunks with the ackee before? If you guys do, please leave a comment, guys.
Veggie chunks with Ackee, we say yeah, that's life. Dumpling, banana, corn on the side. Natural vibes, me there.
And in today's video, we're gonna have the boiled dumpling, the green banana, and here we have the veggie chunks. And I'm gonna go ahead, and this is the veggie chunks, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and have it cut. I have it cut, guys, so stay tuned. I'll go ahead and have it placed in the boiling water, guys. I did go ahead and have my water boiling, guys. So with my veggie chunks, I'm gonna get 3/4 of the bag inside of it, and then that have to sit for 10 to 15 minutes, guys. Alright guys, so I'm just having it pressed down to the bottom. So now I'm gonna cover it and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead with my dumplings, guys, and in today I'm gonna add a little bit of cornmeal. I just need like and then I'm gonna go ahead with my salt, and then I'm gonna get that mixed up a little bit, guys, and I'm adding my water. And you want to go ahead and have it mixed in. And from making the flour, guys, you can feel the texture if it's gonna need more water or not. So I'm gonna add a little more. I'm gonna get some in there, guys. That's the mixture you want to get it, guys. That's the dough you want to form. So stay tuned while I have it placed in the pot. Here am I gonna have the dumpling. I'm gonna roll it, guys, and have them placed in the pot. Remember, you just roll it into a ball and press, and that's it. So here's my first one. Guys, please do remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to the Greens Family Lifestyle TV, guys. And you click that notification button, guys, so every time I upload a video, you guys get the notification. Alright guys, welcome back. I'm gonna go ahead and add my banana. As you see, I have the dumpling in it already boiling. And then I have some corn. Go ahead and add the corn. So I'm gonna let that boil, guys. So catch you and stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, that's the veggie chunks. So I did have it sitting for 10 to 15 minutes, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and have the water squeeze from it a little bit. So you want to make sure you have the water squeezed, guys. Now I'm gonna have the water squeezed from it and place in a bowl. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Alright guys, here goes my veggie chunk. I'm gonna go ahead and have it seasoned. I'm gonna use half teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna add some black pepper. And then I'm gonna get in a splash of paprika. Okay, you still wanna have the taste from it, guys. And now I'm gonna add a little Maggi. Alright, I'm gonna have that mixed up. That's all you want to have it mixed up, guys. Ooh, that's smelling great. Ooh, guys, have you ever had the veggie chunks with the ackee before? If you guys do, please leave a comment, guys. Alright, stay tuned, guys, while we have the natural season all cut up. I'm having my natural season cut up. And this is the garlic. I have like 4 pegs of garlic. I'm gonna leave 1 peg for the oil. Cause you know I like to have that flavored oil, guys, with the garlic. For the pepper, I'm gonna take an extra slice. And then for the scallion, I'm gonna go ahead and have them chopped. And then I'm gonna have the sweet pepper slice, guys. You guys could chop it, you guys could mince it, but I'm slicing them today, guys. Then for the onion, I'll just dice it like this, guys, and then I'll cut right there just like that, guys. Alright, guys. Guys, I did have my veggie chunks marinating for 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the cut seasoning. The one that I just cut a second ago. I'm gonna add some onion, red onion, and pepper. And I have a mixture of garlic. And then I'm gonna start it in again, guys. So that's how you want to get it, guys. You have to let it marinate too. The recommended time is 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, guys. So stay tuned. I'm going to add some olive oil to the pot, guys. And then I'm gonna add my washed garlic. So you're gonna let that cook in the oil for a little bit, guys, just to get the flavor. And now you go ahead with a little of the seasoning. Not everything, guys, because remember we have the ackee. So you're gonna go and have that stir, guys, like you sauteing these stuff to get that flavor up in the olive oil. And you know that's gonna be extra flavor. Alright, guys, then I'm gonna go ahead and add my seasoned veggie chunks. And you have it all starting, guys. Just like that, guys. Then you want to add 2 tablespoons soy sauce, guys. Alright, guys, after adding the soy sauce, you cover and let cook for 20 to 25 minutes. I did go ahead and add a 1/4 cup water, guys, for the 25 minutes period for it to cook. So stay tuned. Alright, guys, that's the veggie chunk. It's already reached 25 minutes. So I already have the ackee cut from the can. You guys could use a can opener. Open it from the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my ackee. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add the remainder of my natural season that I did dice. And then you want to have it slightly mixing, guys, not to smush the ackee. Just like that, guys. So I'm gonna leave it just like that and let it simmer for the next 5 minutes on low heat, because I still have to have these seasoning a little bit blanch. Alright, guys, so that's it, and check back in when it's finished. Alright, guys, there you have it. That's the veggie chunks with the ackee, all cooked down in olive oil, guys, and it's a vegan Jamaican recipe, guys. You guys could go ahead and try it. That's the finished product of the boiled dumpling, guys, where a little bit of cornmeal was added with the corn and the green bananas. So I'm gonna go ahead and have it plated. Alright, guys, I have the dumpling and the yam plated, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some veggie chunks and ackee. Looking creamy, guys, savory. And I told you it's a vegan dish, so that's it right there, guys. Already have it plated, and it's looking lovely. Guys, this one dish I have to try. It's been a minute I haven't cooked this dish, guys. I'm telling you, I need a sample, but I like it. I'm gonna dig in. Let me get this. Yeah, that's more like it. Guys, you have to try this menu. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more epic videos. Peace out.
No need no beef, just give me Ital food that I'm a relief. Call it rootsy, call it clean. Every bite fresh like a mountain stream. Sip my lime juice while the breeze blow cool. Watching mama stir pot like a seasoned roll. Corn sweet like love, dumpling full my soul. Banana soft, yellow like gold.